Ayan, we're on our way to our room. Apakalayo. Ito lang din yung comment ko. Ang layo ng kwarto, Diyos ko. Kailangan pang bumiyahe para pumunta sa kwarto. Pero siguro depende naman sa nabook nyong kwarto. Ito, ayan. So, ito yung beach. Ayan. Basta beach area. Tapos ito, yung, ayan. This is the house area. Ay, okay. Tayo mag-bihis na. See you in a bit. And also kaya pala ako nakaganto. Kasi I want to make the mic as close as to my mouth. Ano daw? Basta gusto ko gusto ko malapit yung mic kasi nahihiya ako marinig yung boses ko. I'm shy. Sige, bye-bye. Mag-bihis na ako.
Uy, medyo malaki-laki pala.
Malaki, oo.
Naging hikaw.
Sabi mo, aray, sabi mo, tapos na. May new pet ka pala, di ko sinasabi. Ano ba yun?
Bakit? Hindi naman tayo.
Pag
hindi harap-harapan.
marami pa rin yan.
Siguro mo ka.
Ano ka ba eh? Baka ito. Ay, hindi ko alam. Bigla ko na. Oo, talaga.
Hello, once again. We are here at Tokyo. Step over kami sa Caltex. NLEX. Tama, NLEX. Actually, yes. Ha? Nag-monologue sa vlog ko. Is there anything you wanna say?
Oh yes, it's better to risk than to...
What the hell?
Walang kwentang motivation.
Ayun nga, as I was saying. Ay, dito ka ba, Mi? As I was saying, as I was saying, wait, oh my god. As I was saying, ayun nga, as I was saying kanina, aray! Pero ayun, as I was saying kanina, na-miss ko yung pagiging passenger princess because pag driver ka, kailangan mong isipin pa na driver ka eh. Alam mo yun?
Saan dito yung Spanish? Ito.
Wow, thank you! Oh no! Isipin mo na lang may uminom. Let's try Oliver's coffee. Kape ni Oliver. Sige nga, tingin mo mga, give us a review. First impressions. Wala. Last mo na siya.
Dito latte.
Okay na?
Good.
Pasado na? It's good? Like, is it good? Good or good lang?
Kasi I want to
Ano?
fly the world.
Wala ba? Hindi matapang?
Mas more on,
Mas on milk? Di dapat milk na.
sana milkshake binili ko.
Times, pasuyo.
Sir, ito na sir.
Thank you. Okay na. Okay, titikman natin. Titikman natin si Oliver. Uy! Sarap. I like it. Pero parang nakaka-acid siya. Ramdam mo yung acid eh.